Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do the frog stand. Now for a lot of the calisthenic pros out there, you've probably seen a lot of these guys on YouTube, they will use this method, they will use this move to progress into handstands and then to start to do handstand push-ups. So they'll go from the frog stand to the planche tuck to the handstand, or start doing their workout with a handstand push-up. So today I'm just going to show you the frog stand. So also this is a shout out to the Real MobyDick. This video is for you, man. So go ahead and give him a follow. Find him on Facebook. It's very simple. You basically want to have a wide stance with your hands, like so, on the floor. You need your palms flat on the floor, like so. And then you want to basically lean like you're going to go into a handstand, a bit of a handstand, and then you basically bring the outside of your knee, both knees, onto the outside of where your triceps or your elbow area basically is at. It just depends on who you are, what your lengths and widths are. So again, palms flat on the floor, wide palm, kind of a wide palm stance with your arms. Then you just go ahead and lean over, hold yourself up like this. You want to hold this for 10 seconds. And then from there, you can go into the planche tuck, and then you can go from there to the handstand and just progress. And then from there, you can either just hold that handstand all day, or you can go ahead and start doing some handstand push-ups and really build your shoulders. So this move is really good for building up your shoulders, making your shoulders strong, making your frame strong, and giving you overall good posture and a strong body. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.